Thank you. Oh my god.
Watch me slam dunk. Watch me pass assist. Meet you to the left. Hot spot with the hits. Cook it up like this. On the side, don't miss. Got the going so fast, I almost broke my wrist. Bacon, eggs, and grits. Orange juice to sip.
Here you going now, kid?
I had to wipe my lips.
With my friends, we get turned up.
Not yet.
What would I get if I added powdered root as well? Isn't everything.
Look.
I can't cope with what you videoing me.
Jane and I are in the car in traffic, and I cannot stop yawning. If you can see, my eyes are pouring, and every single time I yawn, it makes me yawn. She needs.
Bob! You have to try. It's really uncomfortable.
So uncomfortable, I can't stop. Okay, stop.
Whoa, okay. Hold on. A damn cat kept me up all night.
Alright, so it's proven that yawning and sighing actually helps you when you're really, really stressed, so... You're welcome.
Now I'm down $5,500. $3,500 at the airport and $2,000. Do you know how rude it is in my country to yawn in front of a man?
I'm not yawning at you.
Shame on you.
Men are manipulators.
Yeah, right. What the fuck am I gonna do? Now I'm down $5,500. $3,500 at the airport and $2,000. Do you know how rude it is in my country to yawn in front of a man?
I'm not yawning at you.
Shame on you.
Check this out. They're gonna be having a big old storm that's gonna be coming through and out America. And you know what that is? Y'all really gonna be thinking it's a storm, a tornado, and all that other shit. But this time it's gonna get worse. And guess what that is? A nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb that's gonna literally take all our power out. A nuclear bomb that's gonna hit everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna, hurt everybody. Everybody gonna get killed. All that other shit. It's a lot that's going on in American.
No, but for real. Somebody please tell me how to stop yawning because I can't. How am I supposed to function like this? Think wide awake thoughts. Here comes another. Ah!
To whoever gets to love her next. She likes flowers. Flowers that she didn't ask for. She likes going on dates. Dates that you plan. It shows her that you want to spend time with her. She likes reassurance. She likes love notes, love letters, texts and updates throughout your day. Let her know you're thinking about her. Oh, and if you find a song that reminds you of her, send it to her and watch her smile light up. Forehead kisses. Everyone likes forehead kisses. She likes acts of service, quality time, physical touch. She likes little surprises because, let's be honest, the little things do matter. And this is a big one.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips. Attitude and give me face.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eyes, lips, face. Wait.
Ooh, you got that drip, it ain't no debate.
You see I'm a winner in my eyes. Lips like this to make them cry. A certified star in the face. You gon' always know I'm in the place. Tryna catch a little bit of this sauce.
We just came back from church just a while ago. They get Mason, Mason look good.